Welcome to Alpine Air Park. We have a really cool install today. It is located off of a runway in a pilot's community, which is super unique. We are here installing a cottage property that we wanted to preserve. We picked it up from one part of the property and moved it to another on a new foundation. There's lots going on here in the future. It's a 17-acre family compound. We have a hangar right here and so many more exciting things to come.
Install take 772. Alpine, Wyoming.
Welcome to our install day. Here we are, completely remodeled with some new finishes and furniture. The kitchen is gonna transform today from what we have it. We have a lot of fun accessories going in here, beautiful dining table, and a nice little seating area over on this side. Over here, we have a really fun little living room with a wood-burning fireplace. It's gonna be so cute and cozy in the winter and in the summer because it gets pretty cold up here, as you can see. Have a jacket on, but the space is just gonna be really warm and cozy.
And we can't get the door. Oh.
We got it. One really cool thing about this home is how beautiful the views are. Every area you see, you just have a beautiful mountain view. I mean, look at it.
Here's your coffee, Alex. Coffee for Alex.
Cheers.
Movers are pulling in. Michael getting a little workout in.
Just start.
Prepping to carry all the beds in.
That's cute, I think.
We are going to get a skull for the entry above the bench.
Either way, if you want bigger scale, that is going to be bigger.
We have a winning skull, and we brought Andy to carry it for us, so we don't have to carry it. I think this is the winner.
And we will be back tomorrow.